The difference between 4-roller plate rolling machine and 3-roller plate rolling machine. The most intuitive is the number of rollers is different. Different number of rollers leads to different processing range. 3 rollers. Processing range is small. 4 rollers can handle a larger range of plates. Processing accuracy. 3-roller inferior. 4-roller higher precision. Rolling torque is greater. Processing efficiency. 3-roller is not as good as 4-roller. 4-roller rolling stable and accurate, easy to operate, high efficiency. Price. 3-roller price is low. 4-roller performance excellent. Price. Overall, 4 rolls are better than 3 rolls. But the price is high, so you can choose the suitable rolling machine according to the actual needs.